can take an all of them are 0, so the hexadecimal value also 0. Next 4 digit we can be taken, so this is also all of them are 0, so here we can use 0. Next 4 digits also 0, so we can use 0. Next we can separate that group using colon. Next here we can see all of them, so first 4 bits are 0, next 4 bits also 0, so we can separate it, so all of them are 0, so here we can use hexadecimal value 0 0 0 0. Next we can separate the group using colon. Next 4 digit we can be taken, so 0, next 4 also 0 0, so the hexadecimal value is 0 0 0 0. We can separate the group using colon. Next we can take an 1 1 0 0, so that is 8 4 2 1, so 8 4 12, so the hexadecimal value is C. Next we can take an 0 0 1, so that means 8 4 2 1, so 1, here we can use the hexadecimal value 1, so we can separate, here also we can separate. Next we can see 0 0 0 0 1 0, that is 8 4 2 1, so 1 represents 2, so the hexadecimal value is 2. Okay, so the last 4 bit is so totally 8 groups, 1 2 3 4 5 6, so here we can see, okay, the last 4 digit is 1 1 1 0, so that is 8 4 2, so totally 8 4 12 14, so the hexadecimal value for 14 is E, so we can write as E. Okay, we can separate the group using colon. Next we can see, so first 4 bit is 1, so 8 4 2 1, so totally 15, so the hexadecimal value is F. Next 4 bit can be taken as 0 1 0 0, that is 8 4 2 1, so that is value is 4. Here we can use the hexadecimal value 4. Next 4 digit we can be taken 1 0 0 1, that is 8 4 2 1, that is 8 and 1, totally 9, hexadecimal value also 9. Next 1 1 1 0, so 8 4 2, totally 14, so the hexadecimal value for 14 is E. So the hexadecimal value letter A B C D is not an case sensitive. Okay, so this is an IP version 6 address. So totally we use 128 bit address. IP version 6 is an 128 bit address that can be written as this binary format, that is zeros and ones. Here we can write an as hexadecimal format, that is here we use 8 groups, that means each group contains an 16 bit. Each bit represents hexadecimal, that is 0 means 0 0, C means it indicates 1 1 0 0, so 3 indicates 0 0 1 1, F indicates 1 1 1 1. Okay, so in IP version 6 contains an 8 groups. Each group contains an 16 bits, that is each character indicates an hexadecimal, that means 0 means 0 0 0 0, C means 1 1 0 0, so each group contains 16 bits, so 16. Example, we can use the IP version 4 like 192.168.100.0/24, that means so 24 bit, so the subnet mask value 24. The subnet mask indicates the network portion and host portion. So in IP version 4 is an 32 bit address, so the subnet mask is 24, means the first 3 octet is a net ID and last octet indicates the host ID. So in IP version 6 also using the two parts, that is net ID and host ID. We can see. Okay, we can go for next slide. IP version 6 address representation. So here we can see the format XXXX, that is it is an IP version 6 is an hexadecimal, so it contains 8 groups. So each group is an 16 bits, each character indicates an hexadecimal. So the hexadecimal value 10 represents A, 11 represents B, 12 represents C, so likewise 15 represents F. So it is not an case sensitive. Here there is some shortcuts are there. Leading zeros are optional, so successive zeros can be eliminated. It can be represented as an double scope. So we can see this example. This is an IP version 6 address. So 2031:000. So 4 zeros